go around the side.
Let's say it's clear over on that side.
Yeah.
The other side's completely open, so.
Yeah, let's go around the other side. There's bees flying around. In the back door we go.
Yay. Cabinets.
Just be real careful.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, if you
Get
fall
this.
through, I know it's not safe. Ouch. For bush.
Overall, the floors look pretty solid.
For the most part, yeah.
I wonder if somebody was starting to fix this place up.
Well, somebody was selling it when Tommy wanted to buy it, and then I could have sworn he said something about them fixing it up. Yeah, old Mason doing that.
They were fixing it up. They really gutted the hell out of it. The basement. Oh, okay. Looks safe enough to go down. We'll go after that. After we go through the house.
Sounds good. Pantry.
No. Closet.
Closet.
Yeah, just stay away from
That side.
that side over there, because that's where the house was
Caving.
going down, fall down in. Okay. Isn't there? Yeah, there's an upstairs, but where the hell is the stairs to get up?
I'm assuming
Oh,
probably
there
like
they are. On the other.
or-
No, they're around the corner here.
Ah.
Yeah. I don't think we're going up that.
Are they sturdy?
I don't know. Find out. Give me a second here. Okay. Here you go. Don't drop this. It's on.
Alright.
Okay, get up there and then I'll come up. Camera.
Here you go.
I don't think nothing exciting about this frickin' house.
Not really, no. Like you said, it looks like it was already all gutted.
Yeah, I'd stay away from that. I wouldn't go too far in there.
On that, because it's starting to thaw right here.
Yeah, I'm saying that floor is pretty shot right
But
down to the other
right
end.
here, I'm standing on a beam, so I should be good.
Okay, I think there's a couple more rooms. Take a look at and then. Attic.
It does too, doesn't it? You may enjoy a good time.
This place is nothing exciting at all.
I said when I was a kid, Tommy wanted this place. I'm not a kid no more.
Yeah, I just don't see a stairway to get up to the attic though.
Neither do I.
Oh, right here.
Oh.
But I have no way of getting up there to look, so time to go back down.
I know you have a way up, just like it.
Whoa. Kind of like just a
Only
crawl
half a
space.
basement.
Yeah, half basement. Yeah, okay. Pretty much that's it for this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Old jug.